At our manufacturing facilities, we encountered a COVID-19 case. And at that point, we had to shut down our whole factory for 5 days. That had a lot of impact. It had, impact to our employees, it had impact to our customers, and it had impact to our bottom line. So the Smartspace device is designed in a way for the enterprise to manage contact tracing and potential exposures. If we had that product at that time, we would have had a cost avoidance of over $100,000. The device is given to the resident or employee. The device is then paired to an app on the phone. User is paired up with the device. They wear this on their body, on a lanyard. When the person with their phone and their device enter the workspace, the device is woken up and it's trying to find other devices. And we manage that through geofencing. So once you enter the geofence, the device starts recording data, and when you exit, it stops. It does not track you outside of work. The Smartspace device records date, time, distance, and duration from one device to another. At that point, that data is encrypted and sent to the cloud through the app for only the administrator at work that has access that can do in-depth contact tracing. This is technology that can help both safety for your employees and help your bottom line.